Hello there, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little bit of a tech tutorial. We're talking about something super interesting, super amazing, aspect ratios. You know, I actually have gotten this question a couple times as to how I edit my videos, making them a little bit wider on your phone than your typical, YouTube video, which you see the black bars on the side of your phone. And today I'm going to show you how to do it. So, let's get into it. Okay, so the way I edit my videos is I edit them in a 2:1 aspect ratio. The videos you're used to watching on YouTube, they look like this, either, filming in 16:9 or 4:3. Those are kind of the standard aspect ratios. Most people film in 16:9. As you can tell, you have the black bars on the side of the screen, and it doesn't fill your entire phone. I was like, you have this giant phone screen, why does it get cut off here and here? And then I saw some other tech channels who were having their videos a little bit wider, and I was wondering how they did it. And I found out that they edit their videos in a 2:1 aspect ratio. It's gonna take up more screen space, it's gonna look wider on your phone, and it's gonna look more cinematic. So you go from looking like this to now looking like this. Pretty cool. So now I'm gonna show you how to edit in 2:1 aspect ratio. Now I use Final Cut Pro 10 just because that's what I'm familiar with, that's what I'm used to, and I'm too lazy to really learn Adobe, so there's that. And it's super simple to edit in 2:1. You basically go and create a new project, and when it says aspect ratio, you want to go down to custom. When you hit custom, it will allow you to put in your own height and width. In these values, you want to put 3840 by 1920, and then select whatever frame rate you want to select. Now, some things to be careful of when you do edit in 2:1 is you're going to have to resize your footage. So when you import your clip, you put it on your timeline, you're gonna have to select that and then change it from fit to fill. This will then have your footage, fill the screen. And when you do put your footage from fit to fill, it's actually gonna cut off a little bit of the top and a little bit of the bottom of your footage. So when you're recording or when you're filming, do be aware of that, because that, you don't wanna cut off the top of your head or cut off the bottom of the frame too low. So just something to be careful of. But other than that, I really recommend editing in 2:1. It just looks better in my opinion. It just looks more cinematic. It looks more professional. Now, editing in 2:1 really does work for all types of content. Now, the only content that doesn't work with 2:1 is gaming. A lot of video games have a lot of, heads-up display stuff, mini-maps, health bars, that kind of stuff. And so, it gets cut off when, the top and the bottom get cut off. You lose a little bit of that interface that's in the game, and so it's not quite all that great. So 2:1 just doesn't quite work for gaming, but all other content, it works just fine. But yeah, that's it. It's quick, it's easy to do, and I recommend you do it. It looks way better, it looks more professional, it looks cinematic, it looks nice. Well, that's pretty much it. Super simple, right? If you like these little tech tip videos, let me know in the comments down below. I might make this into a series. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment down below. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you. Just a friendly reminder, I do stream on Twitch. Link to that in the description below. Well, that's gonna do it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button if you wanna see more content like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, everybody.